There's more to love at JCPenney. Come in for great deals throughout the store. Get your Valentine's something really special with up to 70% off select fine and fashion jewelry after an extra 20% off with your JCPenney credit card and coupon. And save 50 to 80% on clearance items for you, your family, and your home. Hurry in and find what you love. JCPenney. Coupon valid 127 to 219. On jewelry purchases. Credit offer subject to credit approval. Clearance selection. Fair buys rules apply last. Savings offer. New and original prices. Intermediate markup.
Attorney spokesperson paid for by Open Jar. Attention! If you received a metal-on-metal hip implant and you've experienced complications or need a revision surgery, you may be entitled to significant financial compensation. Injuries from metal-on-metal hip implants can include metallosis, loosening of parts, pain, difficulty in walking, and other problems. Manufacturers have set aside billions of dollars to settle these legal claims. You are not alone. Thousands of hip implant patients have received recalls for their hip replacement device and are suffering painful side effects. If you received a metal-on-metal hip implant and have suffered injuries or underwent a revision surgery to correct the issue, call the Hip Implant Helpline now at 800-846-1313. Experience matters. Our network of attorneys are ready to fight for you. The consultation is free and you'll pay nothing unless there's a recovery in your favor. Call 800-846-1313. 800-846-1313. 800-846-1313.
Save on your next oil change when you purchase 5 quarts of Pennzoil High Mileage Motor Oil and a MicroGuard filter for the price of Pennzoil Conventional for $24.99. Plus, get a $5 O'Reilly Auto Parts gift card after mail-in rebate and earn double O-Rewards points with this purchase. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Better parts, better prices every day. Limits apply. See store for details.
And week-thin grass. But the all-new Scotts Strip Builder Southern Triple Action takes care of all three. Now, with just one bag, you can prevent fire ants for up to 6 months, kill weed and clover, and feed for greener grass for your long drives. All guaranteed, only from Scotts. One application, triple action.
The kids' playground is back.
This is a Scotts yard. Pick up a bag of Scotts Southern Triple Action today.
Raymond Noah! Raymond Noah! Raymond Noah! Are you looking for a new star? Raymond Noah and Lakeside Toyota, 3701 North Causeway Boulevard invites you to stop in. Mr. Noah brings more than 25 years experience and gives you great service even after the sale. Good credit or any type of credit challenges, reach out to Raymond Noah at 831-4870 or email him at Raymond_Noah@LakesideToyota.com. Go by Lakeside Toyota today and see Mr. Raymond Noah, where professionalism is second to none and honesty and integrity go hand in hand.
The hardest commanding comedy is back. Kevin Hart is the irresponsible tool.
Call my dad, he's my kid, with no candy in his pocket. Candy with no wrapper. He was loose. He was just in his pocket. He said,
The box office smash comedian, Kevin Hart.
where the lines at on that peppermint?
Kevin Hart.
5 minutes go by, so my dad takes that peppermint out of his mouth, put it back in his pocket. Those were half-sucked old peppermint.
Thursday, October 18th, in the Smoothie King Theater. Tickets on sale now at the box office and livenation.com. Don't miss Kevin Hart.
The son finally gets the keys to the family barbershop. His plans are derailed by a figure from his father's past. Things really become complicated when he finds himself falling in love with the enemy. Faced with a choice between the love of his family and the love of his life. Melvin Childs presents Hilarious Story live from a neighborhood barbershop starring Academy Award-winning actress and comedian Monet. Jason Slade and Tyler Perry's House of Pain. It's Alan Payne and the outrageous comedians.